Hi guys, and last time we talked about the weather strips to reduce the wind noise by up to 80%. So today I would just like to give you guys an update on how quiet the car could become. Today is a pretty windy day out there. Let me open the windows. It's pretty windy, as you can tell. So now it's all the windows closed, and you can barely hear any surrounding noise and the wind noise. There's a little bit tire noise, but that's not relevant to the weather strips. The purpose of the weather strips is mainly to quiet down the wind noise as much as possible, so that the wind won't come in from the doors and the pillars and the sills like that, So this is how quiet it will become. And I just want to give you guys an update, and it's a very good investment, as I talked about it last time, for $20-30. It's totally transformed the car into a much quieter ride. So until next time, stay safe, and you guys have a good one. All right, thank you.